What have we learned in this module? Well, first of all, I think I've mentioned it enough that Windows and OS X in particular are becoming more and more similar over time. Just about all 10 of these new features that I showed you in Windows 10 are available on other OS platforms. And I think that's a good thing. That notion of continuity or continuum, I think, is cool within a vendor's product, but it's even cooler when you can translate your way of doing work in one operating system easily to another operating system. Do you agree? Next thing we learned is that Windows PowerShell scripters get a nice productivity boost, a couple levels of that. The PowerShell v5 Power is one, and two are those experimental console features that make it easier and faster and more fun, I think, to script from the console environment rather than from an ISE or IDE. Finally, the notion of the responsive web is becoming a reality for the client operating system. A responsive website is one that adapts to different user agents and screen resolutions and languages. We're seeing this more and more with Windows. The continuum feature that shifts the UI depending upon whether you're doing touch or keyboard and mouse input. The universal search that looks at the internet as well as your own system. Well, you can draw the parallels from there. It's a great time to be in technology, I think you'd agree. Thanks a lot for your participation. I hope you learned a lot, and I look forward to checking you out in another Pluralsight course. Take care.